Welcome. If you're looking to spice up your Discord chats with animated stickers, but only want them to move when you interact with them, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to set your Discord mobile app so stickers animate only when you tap or hover over them, saving both your battery and your sanity from constant motion. Let's get started. First, open your Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. Now, look down at the bottom right corner. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your user settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. Here, you'll see an option called Accessibility. Tap on Accessibility to open up a whole new set of options designed to make Discord easier to use. Now, keep scrolling down until you spot the section titled Stickers. This is where all the magic happens. Under Stickers, you'll see a setting called Animate Stickers. By default, this might be set to always animate, which means stickers are moving all the time. But we want to change that. Tap on the option for sticker animation and you'll see a few choices. Select Always Animate on Interaction. What this does is simple. Stickers will only animate when you interact with them, like tapping or holding down. The rest of the time, they'll stay still. That's it. You've just made your Discord experience a little calmer and a lot more battery-friendly. Animated stickers will now only come to life when you want them to, giving you more control over your chats. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new, streamlined sticker experience.